All right, welcome to the third spreadsheet challenge video. So at this point, you should have these 5 formulas written for your data set. And I just want to point out a couple things. The first thing is that when we look at just the spreadsheet, we see the number. So for example, min is 139. But if I look up at the formula bar here, I can see the formula that I wrote for it. And then if I double click in that cell, it also shows me the formula. And the reason that's important is because this is a number that is generated by the spreadsheet calculating. It's not a number that's typed in there. If I just type the number 139 into a cell, then it's 139. The formula is 139. The cell is showing 139, and that number is not going to change. It's totally static. Okay, so the sum we already realized is all of the numbers added together, and you should see that in the description. The product looks kind of weird, 9.95, and then it's E plus 22. That's because the product is what we get when we multiply all of the numbers together. And so this is actually showing scientific notation. So this says 9.9 times 10 to the 22nd power. 9.9, or a 9 with 10 zeros after it, is a way to think about how large that number is. And that makes sense if we're multiplying all the numbers together. Count tells us how many numbers are in the data set. So my data set has 10. If you also chose 10 data points, then it should say 10. If you chose more than 10, then you should have the whole data set selected, and your count should be more than 10. Maximum is the maximum number. So my maximum is up here because I have it sorted, and minimum is the minimum number. So we're going to do a couple other formulas in just a second, but I also want to show you that you can use a spreadsheet like even a more traditional calculator in a couple of ways. So if you type equals and then you take a number or in a cell, so like I'll click on A2, and then you type the plus button, and then you click a different number like 304 in A3, then it's going to add those two numbers together. So you can type a command like that. You can also use the star to multiply. So if I wanted to take this number in A2 and I wanted to multiply it by 2, I can write star 2, and that's going to multiply by 2. You can even do division using a slash, or subtraction using the dash. All of those are ways that you can use calculations. And in a later challenge, I will show you how to set up a multi-step calculator using some simple tools. For now, though, I want us to do a couple more formulas that are going to be really important. So type the names into your C column so that you know what these things are. So the first one is average, and median, mode, and range. Okay. So I want you to take your data set, and I want you to find these formulas to your data set. So remember that you're going to type equals, then type what the formula is, parentheses, and then select your entire data set, either using the mouse or by typing the names of the cells, the first one, colon, last one. Okay, so that's your third challenge. Good luck.